Hey y'all, it's back to my channel. Going back through the footage, I completely forgot to record an intro. So this is just a few things I wanted to get done in the nursery. Hang a few pictures, put some hardware on the drawers, and then I did like a mini TJ Maxx haul. So y'all be sure to keep watching the video and hope y'all enjoy. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all a few of the things I got from Target, but if you remember the DIY drawer that I did, we never got knobs or pulls to like go on it. So I was at TJ Maxx today and I saw these. And I thought they fit. The brand is Casa Decor Home Design Concepts. It's a set of 12. It was $12.99 at TJ Maxx. And then looking on the inside of it, there's not screws. It's like, if you can see that, you have to hold like a, I guess like a wrench to tighten it. So I'm gonna take these off and attempt to put these on the drawers.
Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. 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 Yeah. Hot for you, baby love. 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 Yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah. There's a remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna.
Okay y'all, so this is the finished product. I just put the, let me see if I can zoom in, the drawer handles on. And I think they look pretty nice for $12. Did it all around the drawer. So what I completely totally forgot about is these drawers have 4 knobs. So like this one, these last bottom 4. But I'm just going to leave these because I will have to get another 12 pack of drawer knobs and I only need 4. So I'm just going to get some, what is this, the spackle or fill in to fill that in so I don't have to worry about it. Okay y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all this sign. I got this sign made, and it may be backwards. Y'all will see when I put it on the wall. I got this sign made by one of my friends in my church group's Tempest. Just my son's first and last name. And the curtains are open. Don't worry about the lighting. But I'll link her Etsy shop and then her Instagram information down below because the sign really came out well, priced well, and it's a pretty heavy material, so I like it. So I'm gonna go hang that up now.
Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say it bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy.
So I just wanted to show a few things that I got from TJ Maxx. It's Saturday, so I just went to peruse a few things, and this is what I found. So I found this baby blanket, which I thought was really nice. And it kind of has like the thicker, like furry, fuzzy material, and this about this size, and this was $7.99. And then I also got like the letter boards, you know, where you can spell out people's names or like spell out different things. I probably am gonna put this like on top of the dresser and just put his name and his the day he was born or something like that. And this was, I want to say $9.99 at TJ Maxx. On Amazon these are $20, and then when I looked at Target I saw some that were like $25. So that was a pretty good deal on that. And I also got this basket, which I thought was pretty big. It was a pretty nice size basket. It has animal detailing on it with letters, and this was $9.99. And I also got a few onesies, which I've kind of already taken them apart, but like this came in a set, this one, and then like this was a set. I thought this one was really cute. And I got 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months. Just another plain onesie, and then just some plain onesies. I also got 2 candles, which I didn't bring in here with me, but they were both $7.99. I want to say one was vanilla, and then one was something lavender or something, but I'll insert a picture of those. So I got some pretty good deals. They had a bunch of stuff at the TJ Maxx I went to. They had bobbies, the bobby loungers. I saw like blankets with teething rings on top, play mats. They had a bunch of stuff, so I always just go in there here and there just to check it out. I even saw a stroller, diapers, all kind of things. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all have any questions, suggestions, thoughts, leave those down below. Make sure to like this video, click that thumbs up button and that red subscribe button, and I hope I'll see y'all for the next one. Bye!